In the fast-paced world of search engine optimization, the only constant is change. As 2024 approaches, understanding the evolving landscape becomes critical. Whether you're an SEO expert or a business owner desiring a stronger online presence, it's necessary to grasp future trends. In fact, we've distilled some of the key insights into a succinct guide featured in this month's edition of our digital marketing magazine. This video serves as a preview, outlining the highlights from the comprehensive article. If you're eager to delve deeper and access the full guide for free, simply check out the link provided in the description below. No time to waste, let's dive headfirst into the top 12 SEO trends for 2024. First up, the Search Generative Experience, or SGE. As the world of technology advances, search engines are evolving. The focus is shifting from mere keyword matching to deciphering users' intentions. The aim is to craft a unique experience, not just meeting users' requirements, but foreseeing them. This means creating an experience that not only meets users' needs, but anticipates them. Next, people-first content strategies. With Google's helpful content update, turn our attention towards content that offers tangible benefits to its users. This is not about manipulating algorithms or developing content for robotic consumption, but creating worth for real readers. It's about understanding your audience's requirements and addressing them effectively. It's about creating content that enriches, empowers, and engages. This isn't about keyword stuffing or creating content for bots. It's about providing valuable, useful content that meets your audience's needs. Third, EEAT, standing for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These four qualities define how search engines prioritize websites in search results. In the digital era, credibility is the cornerstone of online visibility. A site that displays these qualities effectively and consistently is more likely to be prioritized. Making your domain a trusted source of knowledge and displaying your expertise is vital. Hence, accentuating these characteristics is pivotal in gaining online prominence. Showcasing your expertise and authority in a trustworthy manner is key to gaining visibility in 2024. Number 4, SERP marketing and content diversification. In today's digitally driven world, surfing through the complexity of search engine results pages is essential. To improve visibility and capture attention, diversification of content becomes key. It's not just about keywords anymore, it's about creating content that can be optimized for a range of features like featured snippets or local packs. It's about leveraging opportunities to make your mark on the digital landscape. With the increasing complexity of search engine results pages, it's important to diversify your content and optimize for a range of features, from featured snippets to local packs. Transitioning now to the fifth element, user journey optimization. It's not enough merely to draw traffic to your website. Instead, it involves guiding your visitors through a precisely delineated journey, comprehending each critical phase of this journey. A successful website is one that's optimized to facilitate a seamless transition from initial awareness to careful consideration, finally culminating in a decisive action. User journey optimization bridges the gap between attraction and conversion for your site. This means understanding and optimizing for each stage of the user journey, from awareness to consideration to decision. Number 6, mobile-first indexing and optimization. In today's digital landscape, most people are using their mobile devices to access the internet. This transformation has made mobile-optimized sites integral rather than optional. It signifies that your website must not just be responsive to different screen sizes, but must also prioritize speed and functionality. This ensures seamless, quick, and user-friendly browsing on handheld devices. This means ensuring your site is not only responsive, but also optimized for speed and usability on mobile devices. Seventh, the importance of structured data. It's essential to comprehend how structured data enhances the way search engines interact with your content. This method simplifies the content's interpretation for search engines, which in turn optimizes the way your content is displayed in search results. It streamlines the process, making the content more appealing and distinctive. More visibility translates to better click-through rates. Consequently, the significance of structured data is immense. Implementing structured data can help boost your visibility and click-through rates. At number 8, we have the rise of visual search. This impactful trend is born out of a digital era heavily influenced by visually driven social media platforms. Platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are the drivers of this change. Today's users, particularly the millennial and Gen Z demographics, are now shifting towards a more visual approach in their quest for information. Instead of merely typing keywords into a search bar, they use images to search for what they need. This method of search is engaging, intuitive, and in many ways more efficient. By optimizing your content for visual search, you're not only keeping up with the times, but also utilizing an effective strategy to reach a broader audience. Optimizing for visual search can help you tap into this growing trend. Number 9, enhanced local SEO for community engagement. In an increasingly digital world, the importance of community interaction cannot be overstated. Brands seeking to optimize their presence must acknowledge this shift. The focus now is not merely on visibility, but involves active interaction. Local SEO is about more than just optimizing for local search. It's about fostering relationships, initiating conversations, and creating a brand presence that resonates locally. Hence, the goal for 2024 is twofold: optimize and engage. This means not only optimizing for local search, but also engaging with your local community. 10th, voice search optimization. In the era of advanced technology, the increasing prevalence of devices like smart speakers and intuitive voice assistants has necessitated a shift in the way we approach SEO. These devices are transforming the landscape, making it imperative to optimize for voice search. This involves a new strategy, focusing primarily on long-tail keywords, which are more specific and less competitive. Additionally, it involves the use of a more conversational language, mimicking the way users speak and ask questions. This results in an SEO strategy that is more aligned with the current trends. 11th, local SEO for hyperlocal marketing. As our digital landscape evolves, the prominence of localized searches has skyrocketed, with near-me queries becoming increasingly critical. These trends are paving the way for a marketing revolution. Hyperlocal marketing is predicted to be in the spotlight in 2024. This involves enhancing local keywords usage, honing local search engine strategies, and meticulously optimizing for uniquely local search features. And finally, at number 12, the role of AI and machine learning in SEO. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is now revolutionizing the SEO world. It's no longer a vague concept, but a tangible tool influencing every aspect of SEO. The emergence of this technology has enabled search engines to become highly sophisticated, delivering more accurate search results than ever before. These advancements necessitate marketers to stay informed and adapt their strategies accordingly. This means staying up to date with the latest developments and understanding how they can impact your SEO strategy. There you have it, the top 12 SEO trends for 2024. From SGE to AI, these trends shape the SEO future. These insights offer a competitive edge in the fast-paced SEO world. Grasp and incorporate these trends to outpace others in the digital race. The landscape is evolving, equipping you for the journey. Stay tuned, stay updated, and most importantly, stay ahead. The digital landscape is evolving, and with these insights, you're well equipped to navigate the journey. Thank you for watching until the end. Your support truly means a great deal to us. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them in the comments section. Additionally, if you enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up. Click the like button. This sends a signal to YouTube that there's interest in this video, helping it reach a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on SEO. Thanks once more, and stay tuned for more exciting content.